If your Instagram followers are stuck in 2026, you're missing the network effect, and here's how ReputationZilla fixes it in 14 days. Here's the problem. Instagram changed how non-follower reach works in January 2026. Post Reels between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern, when Instagram's Explore algorithm peaks at 34% reach. Use 7 to 9 hashtags per reel, mixing 3 niche tags under 50k posts with 4 broad tags over 500k posts. Instagram's 2026 algorithm prioritizes accounts that show consistent engagement velocity. That means if your last 5 reels each got under 200 views in the first hour, Instagram stops pushing your content to Explore and hashtag feeds entirely. Here's a real scenario. You post a reel, it gets 87 views in the first hour, all from your existing 1,200 followers. Instagram sees no external engagement signal, so it never shows your reel to non-followers. Within 48 hours your reach drops to 6% of your follower count. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla's social growth network. Most people fail here. They try buying followers from bot farms or engagement pods. Instagram's 2026 spam detection flags accounts that gain more than 300 followers per day from low-quality sources. Your account gets shadowbanned for 21 days, and during that window your reach stays under 4% even to existing followers. Do not do this. Step 2 is simple. ReputationZilla uses our private network of 47,000 real Instagram accounts to engage with your reels in the first 60 minutes after you post. These are real users, real devices, real IP addresses spread across 12 countries. Instagram sees genuine engagement velocity and pushes your reel to Explore feeds. Average result is 2,000 new followers in 14 days with zero shadowban risk. This is important. You need to post at least 4 reels per week to keep the algorithm feeding you traffic. ReputationZilla's network engages with each reel you publish, but if you go silent for 9 days, Instagram assumes you're inactive and stops recommending your profile entirely. Consistency beats viral spikes every time in 2026. Here's the problem if you ignore this. Instagram's January 2026 update introduced a 90-day engagement score. If your average reel gets under 300 views in the first 3 hours for 90 consecutive days, Instagram downgrades your account to low priority distribution. That means even your best content gets capped at 800 views maximum. Recovery takes 6 months of perfect posting. Here's the exact strategy. When you post a reel, ReputationZilla's network hits it with 120 to 180 reel engagements in the first 45 minutes. That's likes, saves, shares, and 8 to 12 comments. Instagram's algorithm sees this as organic virality and pushes your reel to the Explore page of users who follow accounts similar to yours. The engagement stays on your reel permanently because the accounts are real. No purges, no spam flags, no shadow bans. This works on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and X. Use this caption formula on every reel. Hook question in 6 words, plus 2 line breaks, plus answer in 1 sentence with a number, plus CTA to comment. Example: why aren't you growing on Instagram? Because 78% of creators post at the wrong time and never hit Explore. Comment grow if you want the full schedule. Post 4 reels per week between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern. Use ReputationZilla's network for real engagement in the first hour. Stop buying bot followers. ReputationZilla grows real accounts permanently. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for real Instagram growth. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.